guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you a very quick unboxing, and I will share with you as well what's inside on that small crossbody bag from Kate Spade. I purchased the bag from the surprise Kate Spade website, so it's a very affordable price, and if it's still available, I will leave the link below so you guys can check it out, or if you want to buy one for yourself. And as well as after, I will do the unboxing and then quick what's in my bag, and I will share with you the what it looks like on me as a petite person. Right now I'm actually inside in our hotel room. My husband and I came down to Memphis, Tennessee to visit my stepson for Father's Day, but I wanted to share with you the bag that I also unboxed before we left home, and then what I used throughout this full long weekend. I think it's 4 days trip, and this is the only bag that I have carried with me throughout the entire trip. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the next thing we have to do, since you already see the very quick unboxing, and here is the bag with me. It's a very small, well, kind of like I would say small crossbody bag, and it is by Kate Spade as I mentioned. And I choose this color because first, I don't have this color throughout all my small bags, and as well as it's like there's no logo that except on this very front right here, since it's not all over, you know, your typical MK logo or any Coach that throughout the entire bag. So I really love that, and the color, just love it for the summer. For some reason I feel like it will fit throughout like any outfit you're gonna wear, casual, dress, you know. So that's why I love this one. And the strap is adjustable, so I will show you later on what it looks on me. And I am currently pregnant, and my baby bump is really showing now. So this one, it's really good that the strap is a little bit long, and it's perfect because it is adjustable. So let's go ahead and show you what I carry on this one. It's a little bit heavy, and surprisingly it is quite small but fits a lot. So let's go ahead. The next first thing we have is this phone charger, because since we are traveling, I have this power bank that is pretty good. My husband got this from, where did you buy it at? Walmart or Target? Target. So it's really good. It can charge up to 4 charge of your phone. It's quite heavy, but it's totally worth it. And I purchased a lot of power bank throughout from Amazon, and so far so good. This is the best one, but again, it's quite heavy. So the second thing that we have, or the third thing, is my sunglasses. I currently am using this sunglasses right here, and the casing I did not use because of course it's gonna take up room. So I have this more like the dust or cleaning bag that I can also store the glasses to avoid scratching it. And then I have my phone, and it can fit perfectly. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it really fit well. Again, it's quite small, but you'll be surprised how much you can fit on this small bag. And then the next thing is we have the Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. And then I have my car key, and this is a pepper spray. So we're not we did the road trip, so I'm okay to carry this one. If you are flying, you're not allowed to have a pepper spray, but I have this because, you know, just in case. And then the next thing we have is my powder. I think this is from Laura Mercier. It's a foundation powder, a smooth finish. I really love this. I got this from Sephora, and I think it's $40 something. Usually I'm very cheap in terms of buying makeup. I like drugstore product, but this one I don't mind splurging because I don't really use any foundation, and this one, it gives me a really good coverage. And then the next thing is I have this note. It is actually pretty cool because it has different size of a sticky note, just in case I will have to leave a note for my husband or what have you. And then the next thing is we have this AirPods. I always have this, or I try to have the AirPods, because long road trip, it tend to be sometimes boring, so it's good to have AirPods or headset with you. And then the next thing we have the Bath and Body Works. This one is the lip tint. I really love this. The mint, you can actually feel it on your lips as soon as you put it on. I highly recommend that one. It's very affordable as well. I got this CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. This is the only thing I use for my brow. And my all-time favorite, this is the Dior Lip Glow lip gloss, and this is from 006 Berry. I have the other one, but this is actually my favorite color or shade. I really love this. It complements my lip color, and you don't really have to wear lipstick on top of it, of this one, or on the bottom, like, you know, layering it with the lipstick. This is good enough, and it's perfect for me. And then I have this Lancome. I will put the name because I'm not gonna butcher how it's pronounced, but this is my all-time favorite perfume by Lancome. I always have compliment wearing this one. So now that I am pregnant, for some reason I have to be careful what perfume I use, because I tend to be so sensitive of that very strong perfume. And a lot of perfume that I have at home I used to love, but since, you know, I was pregnant, I never liked this perfume anymore, and I'm not getting rid of them or giving it away because, you know, after giving birth my smell might maybe different. So far this is my favorite one because it's super light, it's not too strong, and it lasts a long time too. The next is this pen, because we have that note, so just in case I have to write something, so I have to make sure I have a pen. And I have this Halls menthol candy, 2 of them. And then this bag right here, it has like a compartment, but I mean, it has a small packet on the, no zipper though. So what I store here, when we're traveling or even being at home, I always have dollars or, you know, like bills with me, because my husband doesn't like to carry cash, so at least me, I carry a little bit of cash. And then I have this key card from the hotel, and then I have 2 panty liners, and then the Kate Spade tag by this bag, and this one is called Bailey. So I will definitely link this bag if it's available, that way you guys can check it out. The original price is $2.99, but I'm pretty sure I got it in a very affordable price. So you'll be surprised what, well, hint surprise, the Surprise Kate website. You will really be surprised of the prices that they have there, because a lot of the bags there, it's 50% or even more off from the original price. So it's amazing website. And a lot of the bag that I bought from that website, it's never been displayed, I would say, because everything is totally wrapped. As you can see from the unboxing, everything is wrapped up perfectly. So yeah, I love that. And then let's move on. I have the receipt. So we went to IKEA and we went to Target. So, and another thing that's why we came here at Memphis, because we were looking for cribs and a changing table or a cabinet for a dresser for our baby. So we wanted to make sure that we visit my stepson, and as well as have a short trip to IKEA as well to check out their crib. And we did find, and hopefully we're gonna come back before we will leave the next day, tomorrow. So we'll make sure that we will pick that up and take it home with us, because we don't have any IKEA nearby. We have to drive either Memphis or Atlanta to go and buy something from IKEA. If I order something online, they will ship it. Unfortunately, they will charge like crazy shipping fee. I think it's about $100 something. So it's almost like it's worth it just driving and then renting a U-Haul, which is what we did. So that's what we're gonna do. But anyway, that is all from the inside of this small bag. Like I said, as you can see, it can fit a lot. And in the beginning I showed you, even on the top part, you can actually fit something else if you wanted to. So this is quite small, but I love it that it does fit quite a bit, and it fits perfectly on my body shape. So let me show you how it looks on me as a petite person. So keep on watching. This is what it looks like on me, and I am using it 1 2 3 4 5 the hole, and then it has a 7 hole here for the strap. So I use number 5, and I'm 5'2", and it hits perfectly on my hips. It really fits very well, and it's super comfy, even though the strap is very thin and it's quite heavy. Now that I put back all the stuff that I am going to carry, this is such an amazing bag. It's small, affordable, and neutral. So definitely go get you one if it's still available. If not, check out the website. You will find a small cute bag from there. So this is what it looks like, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Bye guys. Thank you.